Hi, this is Anil and welcome to the video tutorial for the Learning Lab on C++ programming. So in this tutorial we're going to learn about overriding the base class methods in the derived class. Which is nothing but in the base class we're going to have a method, and also in the derived class we're going to have a method with the same signature. The same return type, the same name, and the same number of parameters. At that time what happens is the method which is in the base class will be overridden by the method in the derived class. So just to demonstrate that, I'm gonna build a class in our program. So it's gonna be class, and let's call it as person. And this person class, let's say it's gonna have a function called introduce, and let's say it's gonna be a void function, void introduce, and we're not gonna take any parameters. And also here in this function body we're just gonna print out, hi, I am a person, and that's it. Let's end this line. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna build another class which is gonna derive from this class person. So let's say class student, and it's gonna inherit from this class person. So it's gonna be public, and person in this class definition we're gonna have the same function with the same signature, which is nothing but the same return type, same name, and same parameters. So here we're gonna say, hi, I am a student and I am awesome. Alright, so here we have a base class called person, which has a method called introduce, and this student is a class which is deriving from this class person. And also in this derived class student we have a method with the same signature as the method in the base class. So we have the same return type, same name, and same parameters. Only the difference is the statements inside that methods. So here what happens is when we create an object of this class student in our main function, and when we call the introduce method anil.introduce, now the C++ is gonna call the method which is in the derived class. So the method in this base class will not be called. So in other words we can say the method in the base class is overridden by the method in the derived class. So this is called method overriding. So just to demonstrate that, I'm gonna save this, I'm gonna build and run this. Okay, we have an error. That's because I haven't added the semicolon. I added the colon, and similarly here also I don't know why I make this kind of silly mistakes. So save it, build and run it again, and hopefully this time no errors. Yes, no error. It says, hi, I am a student and I am awesome. So you can see that the method of this base class is not executed, or it is hidden by the method in the derived class. So this is about overriding the methods in the derived class, and in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to access the base class methods when it is overridden in the derived class. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.